Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to the class. Students, today we'll be studying linear graphs and simultaneous linear equations, mathematics for class 8, chapter 1. Practice now 4, exercise 1D. We'll be covering question number 1, B part, question number 1, C part, question number 1, D part, and question number 1, F part. Let's start the lecture. First of all, a message from Android apps developer, Mr. Noman Bashir. Contact number 0312 5194 812. Email nominoman448@gmail.com. Now, practice now. Question number 1, we have the equation x plus y is equal to 3, 3x plus y is equal to 5. For equation 1, we'll be using the value of x from -2 to 2. If x is equal to -2, then instead of writing x, we'll be writing -2 here. -2 plus y is 3. Take the -2 on the right hand side of the equalizer. It will become +2. So y is equal to 3 plus 2, y is equal to 5. If x is equal to -1, put the value of x equal to -1 instead of x. So -1 plus y is equal to 3. So this will become the -1 will be moving on the right hand side of the equalizer, and y will be is equal to 3 plus 1, y is equal to 4. So if the x is 0, so we'll putting the 0 instead of x. So 0 plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. So if x is equal to 1, we'll putting 1 instead of x. So 1 plus y is 3. So y will be equal to 3 minus 1, y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, put 2 instead of x. So 2 plus y is equal to 3. We'll moving 2 on the right hand side of the equalizer. So it will become -2. So y is equal to 3 minus 2, y is equal to 1. So now when we put the value of x equal to -2, y was 5, x minus 1, y 4, x 0, y 3, x 1, y 2, x 2, y 1. So now we'll moving to the second equation of this question. This is practice now 4. 3x plus y is equal to 5. So we'll moving value of x from -2 to 2. So if the value of x is -2, then putting the value of x in this equation, 3x plus y is equal to 5. So 3 into -2 plus y is equal to 5. So 3 multiplied by -2 is -6. So we'll be taking -6 on the right hand side of the equalizer. It will become +6. So y is equal to 5 plus 6, y is equal to 11. If x is equal to -1, put -1 instead of x. So 3 multiplied by -1 is -3. So -3 plus y is 5. We'll be taking 3 on the right hand side of the equalizer. It will become +3. So y is equal to 5 plus 3, y is equal to 8. If x is equal to 0, so we'll be putting this equation 3x plus y is equal to 5. 3 multiplied by 0 plus y is equal to 5. So 3 multiplied by 0 is 0. So y is equal to 5. So if x is equal to 1, so 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. It's positive 3. Will you taking 3 on the right hand side of the equalizer? It will become negative. So equation become 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, put the 2 instead of x. 3 multiplied by 2 plus y is equal to 5. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus y is 5. So we'll be taking 6 on the right hand side of the equalizer. It will become -6. So y is equal to 5 minus 6. Y is equal to -1. Now coming to the table, when x was -2, y was 11, x was -1, y was 8, x was 0, y was 5, x 1, y was 2, x was 2, y was -1. Now we'll be moving on the what are the common in this table. The commons in this table are 1 and 2. X was 1, y 2, and x was 1 by 2 in both the equation. 3x plus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 3. Now checking the answer, we know that x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we will drawing the graphs. So this is the initial point minus 2 and 11 of the equation 3x plus y is equal to 5, and final point 2 and minus 1, and for the equation x plus y is equal to 3, minus 2 and 5 is the initial point, 2 and 1 is their final point. So 1 and 2, it means that at x-axis this is 1 and y-axis this is 2. The both point coincides with each other or the equations. So the answer is 1 and 2. 1 at x-axis, 1, and 2 at y-axis. Now practice now 4, question number 2 using graphical method. You have the equation 7x minus 2y is equal to plus 11 is equal to 0, and other equation is 6x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So I will be using 7x minus 2y. So we'll be moving 11 on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will become minus 11. So equation becomes 7x minus 2y is equal to minus 11. So we'll be using the x values from minus 2 to 2. So if x is equal to minus 2, put the value of x minus 2 instead of x. So 7 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 14, minus 2y is equal to minus 11. So we'll be taking minus 14 on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will become plus 14. So minus 2y is equal to minus 11 plus 14, minus 2y is equal to 3, so y is equal to minus 1.5. If y is equal to minus 1, so we will be putting the value of x as minus 1. So when multiplying 7 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 7, minus 2 is equal to minus 11. So we'll be taking minus 7 on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will become plus 7. So minus 2y is equal to minus 11 plus 7. So minus 2y is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 4 by minus 2, y is equal to 2. Now we'll be moving on the value of x when value of x in this equation is 0. When x is 0, 7x minus 2y is equal to minus 11. 7 multiplied with 0 is 0. So minus 2y is equal to minus 11. So minus 2y is equal to minus 11. So that is y is equal to minus 11 by minus 2 is y is equal to 5.5. If x is equal to 1. So 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. So we will be taking 7 on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will become minus 7. So minus 2y is equal to minus 11 minus 7. So minus 2y is equal to minus 18, y is equal to minus 18 divided by minus 2, y is equal to 9. If x is equal to is equal to 2, so 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, minus 2y is equal to minus 11. So 14, we will be taking 14 on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will become minus 14. So minus 2y is equal to minus 11 minus 14. So minus 2y is equal to minus 25. So y is equal to minus 25 by minus 2, y is equal to 12.5. So the table is when x was minus 2, y was 1.5 minus, and when x was minus 1, y was 2, when x was 0, y was 5.5, when x was 1, y was 9, x was 2, y was 12.5. Now we'll be moving on the second equation, that is 6x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Equation 2, it becomes 6x plus y is equal to minus 4. So we'll be using the value of x from minus 2 to 2. So if value of x is minus 2, 6x plus y is equal to minus 4. So instead of writing x, we'll be writing minus 2. 6 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 12. So we'll be taking minus 12 on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will become plus 12. So y is equal to minus 4 plus 12, y is equal to 8. If x is equal to minus 1, so we'll be writing minus 1 instead of x. So 6 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 6. So minus 6 plus y is equal to minus 4. So we'll be taking minus 6 on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will become plus 6. So y is equal to minus 4 plus 6, y is equal to 2. Now we'll be moving on the, if x is equal to 0, 6 multiplied by 0 is 0. So y is equal to minus 4. If x is equal to 1, 6 multiplied by 1, 6. So we'll be taking 6 on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will become minus 6. So y is equal to minus 4 minus 6, y is equal to minus 10. If x is equal to 2, 6 multiplied 2 is 12. We will be taking 12 on the right hand side of the equalizer, it will become minus 12. So y is equal to minus 4 minus 12, y is equal to minus 16. Now we will drawing the table. When x was minus 2, y was 8, x was minus 1, y was 2, x was 0, y was minus 4, x 1, y minus 10, x was 2, y was minus 16. For the equation 6x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. And for the equation 7x minus 2y plus 11 is equal to 0. When x was minus 2, y was minus 1.5. When x was minus 1, y was 2, x was 0, y was 5.5, x was 1, y was 9, x was 2, y was 12.5. So we'll be drawing the graph. This is the graph, and the both equations meet at minus 1 and 2. So we'll be checking our answer. Now this is the method of checking the answer. 7x minus 2y is 11. Put x is equal to minus 1 because minus 1 and 2 both are common in this table. So x minus 1, y 2, put the value. So 7 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 7. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So outside the bracket is minus. So minus 4, minus 7, minus 4, plus 11. So minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11, plus 11 is equal to 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Similarly, for this equation, 6 into minus 1 plus 2 plus 4. So minus 6 plus 2 plus 4. So minus 6 plus 6, 0 is equal to 0. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we'll be moving on to question number 1b, basic level, exercise 1d. Now we have the equation, that is x minus y is equal to minus 3. So minus y is equal to minus 3 minus x. So we will be multiplying and dividing this equation with minus 1. So minus y cancel. So this equation become y is equal to 3 plus x. Or in second case, we can say that the minus y is equal to minus 3 minus x. So take the minus common. So minus common, bracket start 3 plus x. And here minus y, take minus 1 in the denominator. So minus minus cancel. So it becomes y is equal to 3 plus x. So y is equal to 3 plus x. This is our equation. So second equation is x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. So take x on the right hand side of the equalizer. So it will become minus 2y is equal to minus 1 minus x. Or minus 2 is constant. Take the constant in denominator. It will become minus 2. So y is equal to minus 1 minus x divided by minus 2. So take minus 1 outside, or minus as common. So 1 plus x divided by minus 2. So minus minus cancel. So equation become y is equal to 1 plus x divided by 2. So in the denominator of the equation 2, this is equation 2, we have 2. So we must take the values of variables of x, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we have getting the values in a regular number. Now we'll be using minus 5, 0 and 5. X was minus 5, so y is equal to 3 plus x, y is equal to 3 minus 5, y is equal to minus 2. If x was 0, y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8. So x minus 5, y was minus 2, x was 0, y was 3, x was 5, y was 8. So now on the second equation, y is equal to 1 plus x divided by 2 minus 5, x was minus 5, so 1 minus 5 divided by 2, minus 4 divided by 2 is y was minus 2, x was 0, y will become 1 by 2, or y become 0.5, x was 5, 1 plus 5 by 2, 6 by 2, y is equal to 3. So x minus 5, y minus 2, x 0, y 0.5, x 5, y 3. So this is the graph. The common points are minus 5, minus 2, minus 5, minus 2. Those points coincides here of both the equation. With this, we come to the question number 1, part B. Thank you.